How to delete everything on your Samsung Galaxy. This tutorial shows you how to completely wipe your device and restore it back to factory settings permanently. After that, make sure to back up anything important, photos, contacts, and files, before proceeding, as this process will erase everything on your device permanently. After that, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap on General Management. Right here, tap on Reset. Moving on, tap on Factory Data Reset to begin the process. At this point, scroll down to review the full list of everything that will be deleted from your device. Following this, tap on Reset at the bottom of the screen. From here, enter your PIN, password, or pattern to verify your identity. Once done, tap on Delete All to confirm and start the wipe. Finally, your device will restart automatically and begin erasing all data. This may take a few minutes, and once it's complete, your phone will boot up fresh, as if it just came out of the box. And that's it. If this guide helped you delete everything on your Samsung Galaxy, give it a like, subscribe for more Samsung tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you're always the first to know when we upload. See you in the next one.